What's going on, you guys? Just taking a quick lunch break from the day here in sunny Houston. Hope you guys are having a good day. I was about to get some lunch, but I wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys about the expectations you should have when it comes to doing paid advertising. A lot of people expect that if they spend money that they'll automatically get 2x or 3x back, and that couldn't be any farther from the truth. To actually make money on your paid advertising, whether it's solo ads or as an affiliate marketer, paid ads, YouTube, Facebook, or any kind of paid advertising where you're trying to increase your leads, you're paying money to capture leads and create sales, right? The expectation that the gurus here on YouTube, they set are pretty far-fetched. In my opinion, you guys should never expect to make much money on the front end of your paid advertising. So if you're promoting a ClickBank product or you're promoting a digital or physical product, a lot of you guys get depressed, and I know I did, and let down because you run an ad and then it doesn't work, or maybe you make some money or maybe you don't make any money, and you're in the red and you're not really profiting, and you're not realizing that there's a whole other part to this entire marketing equation. Really, the first half is to lower your deficit on paid advertising. It allows you to break even at best, right? So the second half of this is promoting higher ticket products so you could actually make money on the back end of your advertising. So essentially, you use the front end to bring in customers at a lower price point, and then you use your follow-up email sequence, videos, YouTube, and additional broadcast emails to indoctrinate people, to get them to know, like, and trust you, and then promote your higher stuff on the back end. So if you look at any successful business, for example, Apple, they don't just sell iPhones, they sell computers, iPads, accessories. But if you had one product, like if Apple had just one phone, and let's say that this phone costs $700, and all they do is sell phones all day long, but then it costs them $1,000 to acquire a customer, they're going to be negative $300 in the hole, and they have no other products to get them out of the red. So basically, to improve their profits on the back end, they added all these additional products. And that's what a lot of you guys are not doing. You're doing paid advertising on the front end of these affiliate products. They don't have a value ladder. You're in the negative, and then you don't even follow up with them or email them daily. You're not promoting other higher priced products to them so that you can break even and make a profit on your advertising. And that is the dilemma. And that's what I recognized not long ago. So the huge issue is you must use paid advertising on the front end of your marketing to lower your deficit, promoting lower ticket products, tripwire from $5 to like $50. And then you want to take those buyer leads, nurture them, take care of them, provide value to them, then promote higher ticket products to them that will get them closer to their goal a lot faster, and then making them happier because they're getting the results that they want. Eventually, they will end up purchasing more products because they're currently in the ecosystem of a product that's providing value to them, and it's also a higher ticket product. So you're benefiting and you're able to make a profit. So don't expect in the first 30 days of your paid advertising to make a profit. You might spend a few $1,000s and you might get, I don't know, 20 or 30 quality leads. And then in 2 to 3 months from then, that's the point one of these customers is going to turn into a high ticket buyer. And that might turn into a $1,500 or a $2,000 sale. And that's where you're going to be making a profit. So you have to be patient and you have to trust in the process. You have to know that the expectation of paid advertising and how to turn paid advertising into profit. So if that's something you guys are interested in and you want to go through the same training that I did that explained in more detail how a right online marketing system works, which not only shows you how to promote lower ticket stuff, but also shows you how to promote the higher ticket stuff in the right way through value-based marketing, all you got to do is click on the link below for more information. I hope you guys got value from this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that bell icon so you can be notified of all future videos when I upload them, as I upload them, because I'm always trying to give you guys as much consistent value as possible on how to create a life with time, location, and financial freedom. With that being said, I want you guys to get access to this training, and I want you guys to learn as I'm learning, and click the link below in the description, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.